Hi, here's another project I would like to share. It's about my stage lighting. First, I have this switch. So there's basically, it's two scene. You can get one that's just one button or four buttons. Each of these controls one scene. So if you press, it goes off, lights on, or you can have the second scene control, like just like stage lights and stuff. We also have another controller, and this is all one system. If I touch this, now this takes over, and now this is primary controller. So I can do like individual lights. Basically I can do, with this one, there's 16 presets I can do. Also faders are presets, and then I can control up to 512 channels with this. Also, we can control this with a computer software. I'm using American DJ, ADJ. It's very affordable. We like it. You can program scenes. Let's see, I'm going to turn this on. And then I want to talk about my rack up on the ceiling. So this is, it's called Global Truss 9-inch. They are very nice. And I want to tell you that my mistake was, you see those brackets? Make sure if you buy this truss, make sure your truss is either suspended from the ceiling, hanging loose, or you get oversized brackets, because I had tight brackets, and this whole thing, you know, I have about 100 feet of this truss up on the ceiling. And as the heat turns on and off, this thing was expanding and contracting, causing some weird noises, which was not pleasant when you are sitting and listening to something. And then I want to talk about these lights. So as you're walking on stage, I'm going to flip this to the side. You want to be able to have two lights shining at you wherever you are on stage. It's hard to, I'm doing this off my phone. It's hard to see, but basically you see all the shiny lights. See? So I have two lights on me from the side. Before we tried putting lights up there directly at us, and it was not nice. People complained all the time. You want to have lights about 45 degrees above you, 45 to 80 degrees above you, and then to the sides, to each side. You don't want to have anything pointing right there. You want to have something from the side. So that's the main thing about the lights. I want to tell you which lights I'm using. They are ETC JR. One thing I like about them is they're shutters, and I can have them work so that, you know, people in choir, it does not shine in them, and people on stage can have lights on them. So it's really really nice, manageable lights. There's other ones, ETC PAR, like ETC Source 4. Those are more, they spread lights more, but they are harder to manage. But it depends what your needs are. And then the these things, they come in different different angle. Like there's this one is a 36 degree, but what that means is how far you can get them. Let's say if this was 50 degree, I'd put them a little bit closer, but you can go and look and read the specs on it and choose the right one for you. I want to show you one more thing. Here's our main dimmer. And this one is RA122. It's made by a light, I want to say Lightronic, but there's one that's a similar name. It's called Applied Electronics. This one is Lightronic. It's nice. I got this one in 3-phase, but it'll work in single phase. It works nice with LED lights. We never had problems. It's 20 amps per channel, and you can. This one is a master unit, and you can get like 20 more. The only negative thing about it is you hear that noise. That's the fan inside. There's no variable speed, so once the lights turn on, this thing will hum like this. So make sure you have it somewhere in the mechanical room where there's no noises, so you don't have noise coming into your main area. Otherwise, it's a great switch. But there's other ones they sell. This system is for theaters. Theaters is where they use it. But I've never found anything like this on YouTube where you can have this ability to control lights like this. So if you have any questions, post your comments and I can go more in details and help you out, build something like this. Electrical work is what I do for a living, so you better know what you're doing if you're jumping in this. But feel free to ask and I can now walk you through it.